aliens exist somewhere.
There's objects in the skies that we don't know exactly what they are.
California UFO sighting. Recently, a UFO was captured on camera in Indio, California, hovering over the mountains. A person spotted something unusual above the peaks and quickly began recording. The object appeared to be flying at high speed, but it wasn't anything resembling a bird or any known aircraft. It lacked visible engines or any clear mechanism that would explain how it was able to fly. The object also had a light on its rear, twinkling as it moved. The UFO footage quickly went viral, yet authorities have yet to comment on the incident. The flash warning,
"Wow, did you see that?"
In Kiev, Ukraine, the night sky suddenly lit up with a mysterious flash, leaving everyone puzzled. The bright light appeared around 1 p.m. local time, and people quickly wondered what it could be. Initial speculation suggested it might have been one of NASA's satellites falling from orbit. However, NASA confirmed the satellite was still in orbit. Ukraine's Air Force later suggested that the flash could have been caused by a meteorite passing through the sky, creating the spectacular light. Strange plasma anomaly. A few years ago, a viral clip showed a luminous UFO landing on Earth, leaving viewers in disbelief. The object hovered in the sky, so bright it stunned many. Some speculated it was a shape-shifting being descending in a plasma beam, while others dismissed it as a clever hoax. But what's really fascinating about the video isn't the UFO itself. It's the giant, cloudy hand seemingly holding it. Take a closer look. Do you think that's an angel's hand, a divine figure, or something else entirely? Dual moon in Dubai.
Oh, what is that? Can you see it?
In this video from Dubai, people witnessed what looked like 2 moons in the sky. Photos and videos of the phenomenon sparked wild theories. Some suggested a hoax, others thought it was a mysterious Planet X, or even a second moon. Some even wondered if it was a projection of Phobos and Deimos, Mars's moons. What do you think? Honestly, I'm at a loss for explanations. A glimpse of heaven. This incident in China caught everyone's attention. A crowd of people filmed a scene that seemed straight out of a dream. An angelic figure appeared in the sky, framed by a stunning backdrop. Chinese officials haven't commented on the video, but for those who witnessed it, the footage seemed proof that other dimensions, angels and demons, exist alongside us, though we don't have access to their world. Wormy rain. In Ling, China, something truly bizarre happened. Worms started falling from the sky. Yes, worms rained down, landing on cars and making people use umbrellas to shield themselves from the unexpected downpour. Nature sure knows how to surprise us. Maybe it's time for China to call Rihanna for some extra umbrellas. Fireballs in the sky. In 2017, something bizarre happened in Canada that left people puzzled. A video showed 2 fireballs descending quickly, with an electric connection between them, leaving a smoky trail. While many speculated it could be aliens or UFOs, there's been no official explanation, adding to the growing list of strange sky phenomena. Portal to another dimension. Ever seen something like this? Me neither. A video from Canada shows 2 strange objects spinning in the sky, almost as if they're trying to open a portal to another dimension. Some wondered if it was a helicopter or something else entirely. Further investigation revealed that these objects were alien spacecraft attempting to create a Stargate-style portal, leading to a sky phenomenon that looked out of this world. Fish rain. A few months ago, during heavy rains in the Yasu region, an unusual sight went viral. A rain of fish, alive and jumping as though they'd just come out of the water. This isn't as eerie as it seems, though. Scientists explain that fish rain happens when tornadoes pick up sea creatures like fish, frogs, and crabs. Once the winds die down, these creatures fall back to the ground. Raining spiders. Residents in southern Brazil got an unexpected surprise: a shower of spiders. Though it sounds bizarre, this is actually quite common in Brazil when it gets hot and humid. The phenomenon is caused by Parawixia bistriata spiders, which spin such fine webs that it appears as if they're floating in the air or raining down. It's not an invasion, just a lot of spiders in the sky. Birds free fall. You may have seen the dramatic video of hundreds of birds falling from the sky into a neighborhood. In 2022, people in a small city in Mexico witnessed something bizarre. A flock of birds suddenly dropped from the sky, swirling as they descended. After the birds hit the ground, many flew off, but a number of them were left scattered. It was later discovered that the birds, blackbirds to be exact, were avoiding a predator. Strange portal in the sky. In this video, a UFO is seen hovering in the sky, looking normal at first. But then, a square cyan portal appears above it, and the UFO disappears into it before the portal closes. Did a UFO just vanish into a portal? Or am I imagining things? Strange figure in the sky. In 2017, a spooky figure appeared in the sky over a shopping center in Cape Town, Zambia. It looked like something with tentacles. At first, people thought it was just a cloud, but when it started moving, things got creepy. The figure was photographed from various angles, and news stations even covered it. It floated for about 30 minutes before disappearing. Was it an alien, a paranormal event, or just a strange cloud? No one knows for sure. Jelly rain. A couple recently found strange jelly-like blobs on their patio after a heavy rain. There's some kind of jelly fungus here at the base of our raspberry bushes, they said. Curious about the blob's origin, they consulted experts and were surprised by the explanation. Scientists suggest these jelly-like objects are likely water-retaining gel used by gardeners to keep the soil moist. The rain could have caused gel from potted plants to spill and expand into these blobs. What is that stuff? Did someone dump something? I guess it's a rare delicacy someone's going to want to check out. Further research revealed that this wasn't the first time such blobs had been observed, with numerous reports of similar sightings worldwide. Mysterious smoke ball. I thought I had seen it all when it comes to strange things happening in the sky. But then this happened. Now, it's even blowing smoke rings. In this latest video, a mysterious smoke ring shoots up into the sky, leaving everyone in complete disbelief at what they just saw. Was the sky puffing something out? Honestly, nothing about the sky really surprises me anymore. So, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Moving fires in the sky. All I wanted to see was the soft glow of fire lanterns in the night sky, but instead, I saw this. A man from a rural town in England captured a video showing 3 orange fireballs moving across the sky, changing direction several times while trailing sparkling white light. Are these signs of something divine, or perhaps just meteorites streaking through the sky? We may never know. Ball of lightning. For centuries, people have reported seeing strange balls of electricity floating in the air. But what exactly are these mysterious phenomena? In May 2019, a man named Andrei Tonovitz from Belarus posted a video showing an electric blue sphere crossing some railway tracks. This unusual video sparked interest in its origin, with some speculating it was ball lightning, a rare phenomenon that has been reported since the 1600s. Green light. A strange formation of green lights in the Texas sky raised UFO suspicions on September 1st, 2022. A man in Spicewood filmed 5 green lights hovering in the night sky. The lights hung in place, then, mysteriously, 2 of them drifted away while the others stayed. Witnesses were left puzzled, with many speculating they were extraterrestrial or military drones. But no official explanation was given, so the mystery remains unsolved. The floating city. Imagine stepping outside and finding your house has disappeared, but you see it floating in the clouds like a dream. In 2015, a video of a floating city in the clouds over a Chinese city went viral, leaving everyone in awe. No one was sure of its origin. One atmospheric scientist suggested it was likely a fata morgana, a type of mirage that makes objects appear to be floating higher than they actually are, which could explain the floating city in the video. So, is it a cleverly crafted hoax, or just an illusion of nature? Mysterious cloud. In 2018, locals in Israel were left stunned when a luminous ring of rotating clouds appeared in the sky seemingly out of nowhere. People quickly grabbed their cameras, snapping pictures and videos of the strange sight. It went viral online, sparking wild speculations. Some thought it was a sign the world was ending, while others wondered if it was an alien invasion. It could also just be one of those phenomena that science hasn't quite figured out yet. Red rain. Red rain is one of the strangest occurrences from the sky. In July 2001, Kerala, India, experienced an event where the rainwater appeared red in certain areas, making people fear the end of the world. The rain's striking red color came from microscopic red particles present in the water. These particles resembled biological cells but didn't match anything known to science, leaving the phenomenon unexplained. Luminous spiral. On May 6, 2011, a mysterious swirling light appeared in the sky over Tromsø, Norway, stunning locals. The spinning spiral, with a bluish trail, lasted about 2 minutes. Though people were used to seeing the northern lights, this was something entirely different. It didn't take long for scientists to confirm that the phenomenon was likely caused by a SpaceX rocket launch, where the rocket dumped its fuel in space, creating the striking light show. Tentacle monster. A recent video surfaced online showing what appeared to be large, dark, and oddly shaped tentacles flying side by side, miles away. No one really knows for sure what they were, but viewers came up with all kinds of wild theories. Alien invaders, shape-shifting beings, or even high-tech aircraft being tested. Whatever they are, this strange sighting certainly sparked plenty of curiosity. Moon crash. Imagine watching the moon through a telescope on a clear night, when, suddenly, something strikes it. That's exactly what happened when some observers captured a rare moment of an object hitting the moon, creating a massive bang. Experts think it might have been a piece of rocket debris, but no rocket part is big enough to create such a loud sound. Since it's rare for space debris to reach the moon, the big question remains. What was it? Any ideas? Drop a comment if you know. Strange phenomenon. In Kumamoto, Japan, a passenger on a plane filmed a massive skyscraper-sized formation above the clouds. The narrow pyramid, pointing directly upward, left everyone confused about its origin. The size of the formation and its ability to stay in the air seems to defy the laws of physics. Even scientists are scratching their heads over it. What do you think this is? SpaceX. I've seen many strange things in the sky, but this one is particularly memorable. 6 years ago, people in California were shocked to see a mysterious object flying across the sky, leaving a trail of smoke behind it. People feared something bad was about to happen. But then the news revealed the truth. It was a reused SpaceX rocket launching 10 satellites into orbit. That smoke trail? It was just part of the rocket's journey into space. Red sky in China. We all enjoy the sky's different colors during sunsets and sunrises, but what would you do if the sky suddenly turned red without any warning or explanation? It would feel like the end of the world, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to the residents of a city in eastern China when the sky turned a strange, deep crimson at night. Locals were stunned by the sight, wondering what could have caused it. But the reality wasn't as alarming as it seemed. Officials revealed that the red sky was simply the reflection of lights from a fishing boat catching squids, as those red lights attract the squids. Quite the scare, huh? Falling drones. Just when you thought you had seen everything, these drones decided to crash in a surprising twist. During a high-tech drone light show in Hainan, China, hundreds of drones began falling from the sky just 3 minutes after they took off. Witnesses were left shocked as what was supposed to be a dazzling show turned into a chaotic scene. Experts later explained that a technical glitch caused the drones to lose sync and fall. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but the event was ruined. It just goes to show, you can't always trust machines. Fallen iguanas. Falling iguanas are hardly surprising in Florida, right? When temperatures drop too low, these cold-blooded creatures lose muscle control and fall like ripe fruit. Last winter, the cold was so severe that green iguanas went into a state of paralysis, causing them to drop from trees instead of just hanging out. But why did this happen last winter, and not before? The answer is that iguanas aren't native to Florida. Their population had recently grown, which meant there were more iguanas around and, ultimately, more chances for this strange phenomenon to occur. So, what are your thoughts on these mysteries? Tell us in the comments below, and subscribe for more content.